Hello people, it's Dayton District Rail Productions here. Back here again at Enon, Ohio, at the UDF. Milepost 193 East. We got a train coming eastbound on the Dayton District. With the person whose YouTube channel name shall not be named. Cough cough, Dayton District Rail fan. Hi friend.
What's up, dude?
Up. Gonna zoom in. Gonna step back a little. Uh-oh. See the lights? There go the lights. You're gonna get some Dayton right there too. Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe, and also to his channel, because shameless plug. See you in the next episode, folks, on Dayton Catches Locomotives and stuff.